Hi, in this video I will show you how to do the motion blur face on the PicsArt. So this is the trend on the PicsArt, how you can do it. Simply you have to follow this procedure. So first of all you have to open your PicsArt and import some picture you want to give the effect of the motion blur face. So right now I have one picture. So first of all you have to crop and adjust your picture like this. Once you will do it, after that you have to go to the effects and go to the FX here, and you have to search for the effect 1971. You will easily get this effect here. Once you will do it, apply it on the picture. Okay, effect is applied. Now you have to fade it to the 50% and click on it, and after that go back again to the effects, and you need to go to the FX and place some noise on it and apply it. You will see noise is appear on it. Make it fade, make the noise less. Okay, now it's done. Now you have to click on the tick button on the right top, and you have to go to the effects again and go to the blur from here, and in the blur you have to search for the radial blur and apply it on the face. Once you will do it, you will see a eraser on the top. You have to tap on it and you will see it's appear here. Now you have to erase the blur from the face perfectly, and once you will do it, you can simply click on the invert here and you will see it's applied to the face only. Now click on the tick button and you need to go to the stickers, and here you have to search for the Japanese text, and different stickers are appear here. You have to select this one and it's downloading. Now place it here like this, make it more long. Okay, now go to the effects and unselect it. Now you have to select it and you have to go to the effects for this picture, and you have to go to the FX and select a warm effect for it like this. So this is the procedure to do the motion blur face on the PicsArt. If you want to do this, you can simply follow this step. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.